we'd like to welcome you to Fort Lauderdale, Florida, where the local time is 11:04 p.m. We will be taxiing for the next few minutes, so please remain seated with all items stowed and your seatbelt securely fastened until we've reached the gate and the seatbelt sign has been turned off. Please take this opportunity to look around your seating area to make sure that you have all of your personal belongings, and also take care when opening the overhead compartments, as contents tend to shift during landing. You may now use all of your approved personal electronic devices in transmit mode. If you happen to be connecting this evening, please check the United app on your mobile device or see gate displays within the airport for connecting flight information. On behalf of United, our Star Alliance partners, and your San Francisco-based flight crew, it has been our pleasure having you on board this evening, and we look forward to welcoming you on a future United flight.